Freecash account data should be tied to your account, not permanently stored on only one phone or computer, so missing data on a second device usually means you're not seeing the same account information, or the data hasn't refreshed correctly. The first thing to check is your login method. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to confirm the correct account, refresh Freecash, check your activity, and avoid actions that can make the problem worse. Open Freecash on both devices, and compare the account information. Check the email address or sign-in method connected to the account. If one device was signed in with Google, and the other was signed in with a different method, you may be accessing different accounts. If the account details match, check your balance and transaction history. These are better indicators of account activity than a single page that looks outdated. Next, completely close Freecash on the device that isn't showing the latest information. Reopen the app and give the account time to load. If you're using the website, refresh the page and sign in again. If you're using the Freecash mobile app, check whether an update is available through your device's app store. An outdated app can display a different interface or behave differently from the current version. Don't immediately complete an offer again because it isn't visible on the second device. First, confirm whether the original reward already appears in your transaction history. Repeating an offer can create unnecessary tracking problems. For game offers, remember that the offer may have its own tracking status. Check the offer details on the device where you originally started it, and compare that information with your account activity on the second device. If your balance and transaction history match across devices but a particular page doesn't, the problem is probably limited to that page, or its display rather than your entire account. If activity appears on one device but is completely missing from the other, take screenshots of both screens. Include your account information, transaction history, and the specific activity that isn't appearing. Before contacting support, make sure both devices are using the same Freecash account. This single check can explain many apparent syncing problems. If the information still doesn't match after refreshing and confirming the account, contact Freecash support. Explain which device shows the correct data, which device doesn't, and exactly which balance, reward, or activity is missing. The key steps are to verify the same account, compare transaction history, refresh the app or website, update the app if necessary, and avoid repeating offers while the original activity is being investigated. Your next step is to compare the email or login method and transaction history on both devices before changing anything else. If this fixed your Freecash syncing issue, like the video, and subscribe for more Freecash account, offer, and payout troubleshooting guides.